Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Smarty. In this video, we see the top 5 best or useful applications for Android users, also we see how to use that applications. First is Google Lens. Most of the people knows what Google Lens does and it is available in Google Assistant. However, you can able to download this Google Lens application from Play Store for free. Just open the application, camera screen will appear, click an image and it will provide an information about the video. Here myself clicking my sister's school calendar pad, it will provide the name with all other information like maps or address. If we select the Chrome button at the bottom, it will show Wikipedia of a school. Next is my remote. If I click the company logo it says the brand name, and if I click the Google button it provides the nearest location of that brand as well as the company's information. Second application is Hi Translate. Hi Translate application will be helpful to know the meaning of another language. Once you have downloaded and installed, just follow the steps that I am doing so that the application will work perfect. After doing all the steps, a bubble will be appear the left side of the screen. First I am opening my friend's WhatsApp message. Just drag the Hi Translate bubble and drop it at the line that you wish to translate like I am doing. It provides the exact meaning. Next I am opening my browser and search what is mean by Sterlite, and all the informations are in English and I want to translate it to Tamil. Just drag the Hi Translate bubble and drop it at where you want, and it will show the Tamil meaning. Third application will be NoPhone. No one will know what this app will do. Most of us are using smartphones whenever we have free time. This app is like a launcher and this will not let us to open any application other than calls. If you want you can add only 2 custom applications. Also this wants you to do workout so that you can add tasks and do that on a daily manner. By selecting set custom option and add 2 applications from your device and can use it at any time. Once if you want to remove that, you can change the launcher by selecting setting option. Fourth application is World Around Me, and the name describes about the app once you know that. For example, select the restaurant category and turn the camera around you and it will show you the restaurants around you and the distance of that shop. It has 8 different categories like restaurants, movies, petrol bunks, temple like that. You can search whatever you want to search. Now I am showing on how to search for a temple, and it will provide multiple solutions with distance around you. The last and fifth application will be Adobe Spark Post. Just log in with Facebook ID or Google ID to enter into Adobe Spark Post. In this app we have thousands and thousands of templates with different categories. Select the template you wish and click Remix button to work on it. You can change the image of the template as well as text and style of text and size of the image. We can make image for YouTube, Facebook sizes in this app. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe button and bell button to get more videos like